Now, if you got a PlayStation 4, or you plan to get into PlayStation 5, and you're not using the new PlayStation app, you might want to start using it. Let's get to it. What's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. So, today's video, we're going to talk about the newly redesigned PlayStation app for the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 console, because you guys already know what that time it is. It's getting that time for new console season, next generation. Let's get it. Woo! Man, so I'm excited because, I need the PlayStation 5. We're going to talk about it in another video. Everything that you should buy, maybe you shouldn't buy. Xbox, I'm not really iffy, but still going to get it anyway, feel me? Just to test it out, because I never had an Xbox. But right now, we're going to talk about the newly redesigned PlayStation app, everything that is new. And so that being said, I'm put it up right here. As you can see, once you sign into the first let's go to the App Store and read a little bit. So when you go to the App Store, I'll show it up, pop it over the screen, or you'll probably see it right here on the side. You go to the PlayStation app, stay connected, just new design. So if you haven't used this already, it's going to be compatible with your PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4. They added more features to it. They combined the messages and the app together so you can be on the go and still be able to chat with your friend. And they added voice quality. So you can still be in your friend's party and everything else, but you can download and buy games on the go. So when you get home, they can be already downloaded to your system. You can be like, boop, especially if you leave the system running. You come home, you download that game, or you buy a game or something. It takes an hour, 2 hours download because it's so big of a game file. But now you can do it on the go. So, check it out right here. We got, as you see, going by little pictures, control, connect, discover, control, experience, PlayStation app, newly redesigned. You can see all your friends online and which games they're playing. You can connect with your friends, voice chat, and messages. So now you can talk to your friends, especially if you got a lot of friends in your PlayStation friends list. You can discover new releases and shop latest deals. And then you can have it just download the games to your console. Especially if you got your console linked with the app. When you want to get home, I want to play this game. You don't have to sit there and wait for it. It's already downloaded. You can check out PlayStation blog news and everything else. But we're gonna go over there and check out the app. I'm using my iPad, so it's in front of me. That's why you guys see me looking down. But don't worry, I'll have it up right here on the side so you guys can see the little screen record. So this is the first home page. Once you do come in, you got your messages, got your friends list. Just going through. As you can see, there I am. Tells you all your trophies and everything else that you have gotten per game, whatever games you've been playing. You go to your little next tab right here. This is Explore. This is where you can find the PlayStation blog, official news, new games, experience, introducing the new PlayStation app. Is newly redesigned PlayStation app. Check this out. You got PlayStation 5. You can read blogs and everything else. Stay tuned for the PlayStation 5 because we're going to be getting that real soon. So I got to do some comparisons with the controller if you haven't seen the last video. So you might want to go watch that video. But this newly redesigned app is pretty interesting. I've been going through it, checking new things out, seeing what else you can do with it. Here's official news. You can watch videos. Here's the PlayStation Store where you can, if you want to buy a game. They're already telling you PlayStation 5, whatever, but buy a game. See how much it costs, and then you just hit the option to download to your console. If you have your app linked with your console, shows you all the deals, PlayStation Store. Now you got your games that you have played list. There's a category for that, all the games that you have played. So you can check it out right here, all the games that I used to play. Now I never played Minecraft, so that's on there, but my nephew put that on there. The only games I played was either Tomb Raider, Uncharted, the Maddens in the NBA. I used to play those, but I got rid of that. I used to play LA New York. Had that. Still got the Red Dead. Had the Dragon Ball Z. Got rid of that. Had Jump Force. Got rid of that. Just some of the features of these games that you can see I'm going through. You can search for games or players. So that's always good. Search for your games or your players. It's a really new great app, Settings. You could, console management, sign into a PS5 once you get it, everything else. You can share with your voice if you want to do voice chat. So it's new. It's a really good app. So you might want to go ahead and, download it, link it to your console. The steps is real easy, it's step by step. As soon as if you don't have the app right now, you download it. The minute you download it, it tells you to sign into your PlayStation network, and then make sure you have your PlayStation on at the time so you can link the consoles together. And pretty basic, pretty step by step. So other than that, but yeah, the app, I enjoy it. So can't wait to get more things coming out, because it's time for that new season now, new next generation, new consoles. So I got another video coming out tomorrow. We're gonna talk about the Xbox, maybe some accessories. Me, I'm not an Xbox person, but still gonna talk about it. I'm gonna help you guys out to tell you, what you should get, what you shouldn't get. But if you're not right now currently subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Crayton family, because from now on, all we're gonna do is continue to go up. I don't even look at you guys as subscribers. Now, all you guys is hit that subscribe button so far as part of the Crayton family. Everybody, so now and I'm never gonna say, oh, my new subscribers. I'm gonna say, welcome to the Crayton family. Crayton TV family. We're gonna keep expanding, keep growing, and other than that. So if you do enjoy these type of videos, stay tuned. Once I get the console, both consoles in hand, I'm still undecided right now which one I should get for the Xbox. Is the digital or the actual disk drive one? I don't know yet, so maybe you guys can help me out with that. But we'll get to that when they come out more closer to that time and release dates. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Join the Crayton family, woo! Because we're gonna continue to grow up all 2020, all 2021, and we're gonna keep headed to the top. Because nothing will stop us over here. Because as we combine, we always grow strong. We work hard and have fun, and always want to be blessings and help other people out. But if you did enjoy this video, it's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV, Crayton family, woo! Tell them, everybody that's watching this video right now, join the Crayton TV family. We're gonna continue to expand. With that being said, it's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV, the new PlayStation app. Make sure you download that. Check out my recent videos right here. If you still need help with the Streamlabs, leave a comment down below on those, and I got you guys next time for another video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.